On another note, I would respect it if Americans will stop asking me if I'm from Jamaica. There are more places in the Caribbean, and I do not think that I sound like them. Where are you from? Are you from the Caribbean? Which part? Sounds way more better than, are you Jamaican? Excuse? Nothing against them, but it's frustrating to hear that everywhere you go.
We are not all from Jamaica. I can't believe in this day and age, people still think that all Caribbean people are from Jamaica. We have so many countries. We have Trinidad, we have Dominica, we have Guyana, we have Barbados, we have Antigua, we have Martinique, we have Guadeloupe, we have St. Kitts, we have St. Vincent. We have so many islands. We cannot all be from Jamaica. But big up Jamaica once.
So to our first generation, like Chinese who living in England, just know we don't speak like Jamaicans. So he's nobody rascal, bum, clack. We don't talk like that. We talk like a wireless talk here. Alright? So we in Trinidad, we don't say, oh, what the rascal, we say, let's stinking dirty mother. We don't say that. Cunt at the end. That's how we just cuss. Right? And quite recently, well, just recently, we have a new thing that we see. Calling squirting, right? Just recently. That was just like about a couple days ago, but that's not new, right? So she doesn't talk like a wireless talk, like how I talk in here, that's how we just talk. And then if it wants to, like, you know, who went to convent and who's from the West, you know, who say that they're there and they are, they speak like that, you know. But know the difference.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel once again. This is Granton Reaction, and if you're coming first to my video, remember to subscribe, like, and also to comment. So guys, in today's video is all about that many people don't know the difference between the Caribbean and Jamaica. They comprise the Caribbean into one nation, which is Jamaica. So many people don't know the difference between the Caribbean and Jamaica. So guys, let us watch this video till the end, and then I'll be coming back with more and more comments.
All Caribbean people aren't Jamaicans. So I want to talk about this because it's actually been pressing on my mind. And I saw one of my Trinidadian content creators, Jay Lion, actually addressed it in one of his posts, right? But this is the same thing as saying you see Hispanic people and you automatically say, oh, look at that Mexican. All Spanish people are Mexicans, right? And they get offended by it, as they should be. Or you see an Asian person and you say, oh, look at that Chinese man, or he's Chinese. Again, all Asians aren't from China, okay? Now, we absolutely love our Jamaican brothers and sisters, so this is not about the Jamaican folks. This is to educate the world, educate the public that when you see a Caribbean person or you hear a speak and you hear an accent, don't say, oh, you're Jamaican. No, just be like, where are you from? And then when I tell you where I'm from, and you don't know, just ask questions, inquire, ask, oh, where is that, right? We can then tell you about our beautiful country and our beautiful islands. That's all. Because really and truly, we want to educate you. We want people to know where we're from. We want people to know about our countries. We want people to know about the islands. That's all. We don't want this back and forth or this big fight. No.
For me, this is a bit shocking. Now hear me out. Just listen to me. I ain't got nothing against the Jamaicans, but y'all listen to me. 95.5% of the patients would ask me, are you Jamaican? Are you Jamaican? Are you Jamaican? No auntie, no uncle, no ma'am, no sir. I am not a Jamaican. I'm a Guyanese to the bone. Guyanese. Yesterday it was so bad. A particular auntie asked me, are you Jamaican? No, I'm not Jamaican. Then she said, so where are you from? I said, I'm Guyanese. I'm from Guyana. She's like, oh, you're not a Guyanese. You sound Jamaican. I said, in my head, I'm like, auntie pushed me out. So I said, no, I'm not a Jamaican. I'm Guyanese. She said, you sound Jamaican. Why are you lying? What?
This just pissed me off today. So first of all, tell me you're not from here without telling me you're not from here. You might be a part of the Jamaican diaspora, but I have never in my life heard a Jamaican say to me that I'm less Jamaican because I'm white or white passing. hate to be the one to break it to you, but our motto is out of many, one people, meaning we are many, but we're one. And two, if you went to school in Jamaica, you would know that all the Tainos, the native Jamaicans, were killed off by disease or by colonizers. So by your own metric, no one is Jamaican, apparently. Skin color has nothing to do with being native Jamaican. And also, you're saying that someone born in Jamaica can't call themselves Jamaican? What? And my ethnicity, I'm black, I'm white, I'm Arab, I'm Hispanic, I'm mix up. In Jamaica, them call me a mongrel, all right? Lived my whole life in Jamaica, all of my family is Jamaican, and basically you're asking me to deny the only culture that I know because of my skin color, which in my opinion is absolute trash. So I'll share a little bit of my experience being a white passing Jamaican in another country, and maybe you can understand how damaging comments like this really are. I went to America when I was 18. I went to college. So when I go to America, I get a lot of different things, and I can almost see when people meet me, I can see the cogs turning in their head. Where is she from? And it doesn't stop until I say I'm Jamaican. And then they're like, oh, huh. I really didn't like that my whole identity was just being narrowed down to this one facet. I actually had one friend who, every time she would introduce me to someone, she'd be like, this is Miranda, you'll never guess where she's from. Go ahead, guess. And that made me feel so tokenized and so separate from everybody else. I actually had this guy who was apparently from New York, but his family was Jamaican. And he was like, so what is all the new dance hall you're listening to? So what is all X, Y, and Z? And I was like, oh, you know, actually, I haven't been listening to a lot of dance hall. Oh, you know, I don't really know how to cook. I don't cook Jamaican food. I don't cook, period. And he literally stopped talking to me. And the impression I got was that I wasn't Jamaican enough for him. You know? I wasn't Jamaican enough to be Jamaican, and I wasn't American enough to be American. And it's so frustrating. It really had me questioning my self-worth. Did I have nothing to bring to the table other than the fact that I'm Jamaican? I don't know. It really kind of fucked me up for a while. And I'm an actress. I work in an industry where I am constantly being judged on my looks and constantly trying to be fit into different molds. Every time there was a role for a Jamaican, I would be overlooked. In college, I tried out for a Jamaican in a play, and my Indian friend got the part rather than me. So I was just pissed right off. And I understand that I don't look like what a typical Jamaican might look like, but expanding other people's perceptions is way more important than fitting a mold. If you're watching this and feel very other and feel very separate, the only responsibility you have to yourself is to be happy and not to make anybody else happy and fit into any mold that they might want to thrust upon you, because honestly, it's not worth the effort and it's not worth the time. It's not. But I wanted to respond to this because I know how it felt to feel not enough for either place. So I would just invite you to think of the other person when you say shit like this, and think about what they've been through. Think about how you would feel if somebody said that you couldn't identify with the only culture that you knew because of your skin color. And you seem to care a lot about it. So I think it would hurt a lot, right? A lot of what he's saying is not spelling sense. So you need to just wheel and come again with that one, yeah? All right. Love you guys. Bye.
All right, so this is not directed to you. But why is it that every person who sounds like Caribbean, you guys always just automatically assume that we Jamaican? Like, Jamaica is not the whole Caribbean. That's one country. Like, I just don't understand. I don't sound Jamaican. Guyanese, I mean, I can understand you saying Guyanese, but like, still, no. I'm not even Guyanese. I am a Trinidadian, and if you don't know where that is, then I don't know what to help you. If you know Nicki Minaj and you know where she is, that's where I'm from.
Hey, you know it's really mash up my cockset, boy. Me ain't gonna lie to you. This game is so vexed. I cannot stand being in a foreign country like Canada. And as soon as I talk to somebody in this beautiful accent, the first guess and always be the one guess is, are you Jamaican? Well, right now you're Jamaican me crazy because what the hell? You can't tell the difference between the sweet difference of Trinidad and Tobago and Jamaica? Come on. I know my Jamaican brothers and sisters will be everywhere, but Jesus Christ, at least ask me, hey, buddy, where you from? Don't just say Jamaica. If you say Jamaica, I'm going to tell you about your mommy in the most Trinidad way I know how, and you're not going to like it.
So every time I open my mouth and talk, American person just think that I'm from Jamaica because of the accent. Like Guyanese people don't sound like Jamaicans. Any Caribbean person could tell the difference, but Americans just always think we sound the same. Like no, we don't. We don't sound the same.
This I have to talk about, because maybe my opinion out there, but me never irritate, so I just put it in other space. As a Jamaican, I really don't know of us being in any competition with any other Caribbean island. Various topics come up. We see a lot of things. Jamaica is not the only island in the Caribbean. I'm sick and tired of people thinking I'm Jamaican. It's not everyone that has an access from the Caribbean comes from Jamaica. This, that, and the next. I want to go on with myself. Instead of correcting people. I am not from Jamaica. This is where I'm from. That's it. It solves the issue. As opposed to putting it back on us, all of Jamaica and Jamaicans, as if we are trying to rob on our identity, or we are trying to colonize the whole Caribbean, and we want everybody to seem Jamaican. No, it's not we do that. It's not we do that. There are many islands in the Caribbean. For obvious reasons, Jamaica is one of the most popular ones. So everything is associated with our culture. It's not our fault. We can't give with a bird there like that and make it seem like it's something negative or something that we are pushing in the space. We know ourselves. So we know when something is not of us, and you're not going to see us calling us. You're not going to see us as Jamaicans calling something that is not Jamaican. We're just not going to do that. So why we get the blame feet? Educate people. It's as simple as that. It's one love. It's one Caribbean. You understand? A one story, scattered story, but a one story. So no need for Lego that shit way and fix up on the third process. You understand me? I say we better together. It don't make no sense.
Hey guys, fun fact. I am not Jamaican. It's weird that I have to tell even my Jamaican clients that I am not Jamaican. I am 100% Dominican. Okay? Commonwealth of Dominica. We speak Creole. We speak English. I am not Jamaican. Every Caribbean accent is not Jamaican, and it's very weird when I have to tell Caribbean people that I'm not Jamaican or I'm not Trini because my accent sounds nothing like a Jamaican or a Trini. Yes, I speak proper when I speak to people because it helps them understand me, and I don't like to repeat myself more than once. But don't get it twisted. I straight from Dominica. Pure Dominican, nothing else in me, well, except a little bit Antiguan, but I never live in Antigua, so I don't have no Antiguan accent. I am Dominican, and I rep 767.
This is a public service announcement. So as most of you know and realize, I am abroad. I'm in a beautiful country right now. I'm not in the UK. And I'm sick and tired of people asking me if I'm in Jamaica. Is Jamaica the only Caribbean island you lot know? You lot need to pattern up and behave yourself. There's many other Caribbean islands. There's Trinidad and Tobago. Yeah. There's St. Lucia. There's Barbados. There's St. Vincent and the Grenadines. There's Grenada. There's other islands that I can't think of off the top of my head. There's Dominican Republic.
There's Haiti.
Jamaica's not the only Caribbean island. So the fact that most of you are just jumping to, are you in Jamaica? Are you in Jamaica? Are you in Jamaica? No, I'm in Grenada. Stop asking me.
Why don't you say, oh, by the way, where are you?
Yeah, or what country are you in? Why do you lot just assume Jamaica? Like, bruh.
Hey, ma'am, I'm a little lost. Hey, ma'am, I'm a little lost. Do you know where Building C is?
Building C?
Yeah.
Going to somebody? You from around here?
No, I'm just passing through town, but, oh, hold on. I like your accent. Where you from? Is it Jamaica? You know, you sound just like my friends.
You have Jamaican friends?
Yeah, they sound just like you. Bumbleclot.
I sound like any fucking Jamaican to you? I really sound like a fucking Jamaican to you? You have Jamaican friends and you telling me I sound like a fucking Jamaican?
When they say bumbleclot, no? What does that mean?
Jamaica is the only island you know?
There's more?
This gotta be a prank.
Oh, Virgin Islands. Is that in Virginia? Virgin Islands. What's the Virgin Islands?
In your mother vagina. That's what it is. Your mother tukukun. That's what it is. You know that accent? Is that also Jamaican?
You guys sound pretty similar, man.
You are a dumb mother scunt. That's what you do. You're a dumb mother scunt.
What's a mother scunt? Is that something cool?
Yeah, it's something cool. Say I'm a scunt.
I'm a scunt.
You are indeed. You are indeed.
I'm gonna go around and tell my friends that.
Yep, you do that. Make sure you say low. Make sure you say with a lot of with your chest. Be like, I'm a scunt.
I'm a scunt.
Yeah. Now take your dumb mother scunt and you gonna go around the corner over there and building C's over there. Have a good day.
Okay. You have a nice day, mother scunt.
Let me talk to you for a
Huh?
second. Let me
Wait,
talk to you
huh?
for a second. Let me talk to you a second.
Hmm?
You don't tell me that. Okay?
I thought it was something good. You said it was something.
No, it's something good for you. It's something good for you. I say you are mother scunt. You the mother scunt, not me. You. Don't tell nobody that. Always claim it for yourself.
So only I'm the mother scunt, not you.
Yes. Not me.
Okay.
Now I need for you to come out of my fucking face. Get your mother scunt.
Okay, bumbleclot.
I'm a mixture of the two most superior Caribbean islands. I will die on this hill. I will. I absolutely will. You can't tell me the most goated island, Jamaica, Trinidad and Tobago. You're invalid. I can't take you serious. Yeah, superior. Jamaica, Trinidad, superior. I'm better than you. To my Haitians, this does not apply to you. I am not better than you. Actually, when I said what I said, I was not including you in it, even though you are in the Caribbean and you are in Latin America. You guys are your own, so you guys are superior to basically everybody in the Caribbean, out of the Caribbean, which is why I couldn't count you. So please don't hurt me because I'm actually very scared. Please. I love pickles. Bye.
And somebody please explain to me. And I don't want to hear from no Jamaicans. I don't want to hear it. And you over there, you better just hush because I don't want to hear nothing either. Why is it that as soon as you tell somebody you're from the Caribbean, they automatically assume, or this is a response then, oh yeah, I've been to Jamaica. Like what? Like y'all really think that Jamaica is the only Caribbean island that there is? Don't get me wrong. Technically, I'm like Jamaican by marriage, It's but that's not the point in this. That's not the point here. Why is it that people always assume that if you're from the Caribbean, you're from Jamaica? Like, it's not the only Caribbean island. Anyways, all your updates. My husband said that Jamaica put themselves on the map. So I'm just gonna let y'all deal with him in the comments because I don't really have the energy today.
Y'all know my biggest pet peeve. Why is it that every time I speak and somebody hears my accent, they automatically assume I'm Jamaican? Y'all do know Jamaica is not the only island, right? Seriously.
Yo, I'm about to cause unrest and upset in my comments, but I don't care. They're Caribbean people outside of Jamaica, Jamaicans. You guys get so aggravated when other people confuse you to be Jamaican. And you get vexed with us like as we do it. It's not our fault that they keep confusing y'all for us. I mean, if we're gonna be frank, we don't want them confusing y'all for us because y'all are not us. We run our jokes. We say Jamaica is a Caribbean because we are. We say United States of Jamaica because... And the reason why is because, truthfully, Whether or not you guys want to accept it deep down in your hearts, we are the gem of the Caribbean. For our contributions, do we have bad ones? Yes, but we have great ones, like legendary ones. A lot of you other islands have grown up on our culture, especially when it comes to our music, and that's quite okay. So when you step outside of your country and people hear you speak your own version of patois and confuse you to be a Jamaican, that is not our fault. Like, there is not one day that we sit under the mango tree and discuss you guys. I want to tell you, we are so indulged in our stuff. We're talking about our stuff. We're talking about our crimes, our music, our culture, everything. We're not talking about y'all. Not one day. Like, this one girl, me and her just went back and forth because she was so bitter. Like, girl, you name seriously, what's wrong with you? There are so many times people have mistaken me for being like Trini, or mistaken me for being from like has said, oh, you sound like you're a Bajan. Or there's some people who said, oh, are you Dominican? I never get upset. I'm like, no, I'm Jamaican, and I just laugh it off. I don't get offended. What is there to be offended about? Aren't we supposed to be one Caribbean? Like, I'm all for that till you guys start trying to diss us. Then we'll diss you back. Don't you see people know what Barbados is now because of Rihanna? That's what that's what it is. We have legends that paved the way for Jamaica. That's why people know them. Get over it. Yes, I'm sure you want to be seen. You are your own island. You have beauty. All of those things are great, but naturally, because of our contributions and also being one of the bigger islands, we're going to get a certain amount of attention. Yeah, I just saw it go. Life is unfair like that. You know what I mean? Imagine like listing out everything bad about us. Some of you small islands with probably like 20,000 people on the island have so much to say about our poverty. Okay. Yeah, you probably don't have any. You have 20,000 people. Probably like 6 families that procreate. We have 2 million and change. Yes, we have poverty. Tell me about our crimes. Yeah, we have crime. Okay. In the spec of it being this terrible space, it's still one of the #1 visited islands in the Caribbean. So what's up? Imagine we have all that shit going on and tourists just still want to fuck with us. Get over it. Honestly, get over it. And stick me with it.
Welcome back, guys. Hope you've really watched the video till the end, and you've seen the difference between the Caribbean and Jamaica. The Caribbean comprises of 30 different regions, and I can clearly mention some of the regions which they are found in the Caribbean. We have the Barbados, we have the Guyana, we have the Trinidad, we have the Saint Lucia, and we have the Dominican Republic, and also other regions which I've not mentioned. So Jamaica is found in the Caribbean. So the Caribbean is this comprises of many regions, and Jamaica is also found in the Caribbean. So guys, the reason as to why many people usually think that Caribbean is Jamaica is because Jamaica usually it's being spotted, and it's usually on the top flight country which is being viewed more in the Caribbean when it comes to music, also when it comes to sports. The Jamaica usually come on the topmost table and most viewed when it comes in those sectors, in those sections. So Jamaica usually is the country which is being spotted by many people over the world, and it usually produce the best items. So when a person is just outside the Caribbean, when you ask him or her, do you know the Caribbean? He or she might just answer that, yes, I know, it's Jamaica, because Jamaica, it's usually emerges the best, and it usually produce quality items. Let us say, for example, when it comes to sports, when we break down in terms of the track and field, we see that Jamaica usually produce the best printers when it comes to track and field, because let us say, for example, it has set a record of winning medals and set a record of winning those races for over 50 years, which is not easy to be broken by any person and or to be broken by any country. It's not easy. So that record, it has set Jamaica to be known and to be more popular all over the world, because one might ask himself or that how is it possible? Who are those people? So whenever a person is just outside the Caribbean, he or she might just see that the Caribbean is just Jamaica, because he or she has heard that that's, let us say for example, that record of 50 years dominating the race for Jamaica. He or she, he knows that Jamaica is from the Caribbean, but he don't know that the Caribbean itself, it comprises of many regions. And also, when we view at the level of music industry, we see that Jamaica usually produce the best music. It's the best. It produces the best music all over the world. Let us say, it's starting from the dancehall, breaking down to the reggae. These people usually produce the best music all over the world, and the best dancehalls and reggae music, which inspires many people all over the world. And also, let us say for example, many people usually don't know the difference between the Caribbean and Jamaica. Let us, for example, so when someone visits Africa and starts calling every African a Nigerian, that person won't feel good, because you have mistaken his identity, and he or she will not be feeling good. And let us say, for example, when you visit European countries and you start calling every European person that he's a British, he or she is a British, that person won't feel good, because you are mistaking his or her identity. So in this video, we've seen that the Jamaicans has come out and they have broken down very clearly that there is the difference between Jamaica and the Caribbean. Jamaica is found in the Caribbean, so many people don't know that difference. So these Jamaicans who have just broken down the difference, they have not. They're showing love. They show how much they respect and how much they love their fellow Caribbean countries, and how much they respect their fellow Caribbeans. So in this video, they didn't mean to display Jamaica, but they showed the respect, and also they had to give that respect, and they had to make people be aware that there is that difference between Jamaica and the Caribbean. So Jamaica itself, it's being known and it's being the most viewed country and the most popular country in the Caribbean. They never stepped back and just starting to say that, oh no, we being the most viewed country and the most loved country in the Caribbean. They decided to have that respect and showing love to other Caribbean countries. This shows the level of respect which they have to the other Caribbean countries. So guys, if it's your first time you are coming first through this channel, remember to subscribe, like, and also to comment. Let us see in the comment section, have you ever been mistaken your identity? You've been called you've been mentioned another identity. Drop your comments in the comment section and let it be known very well that it's better and it's good for someone to ask and to have that knowledge on the identification of a person from the particular country. So guys, thanks for watching. We will be catching up in the next video.